Okay. What's up, YouTube? What's up, Detroit? It's your boy Will from Bedell Management. Back at the disaster house. I'm just kidding. Um, we back over here on Mark Twain. Yep. And it seems like every time I make a video, it's a little bit worse than what it is. Well, actually, it is because this has to be replaced now from here all the way across there because it's basically rotted out. Then there's some other pieces of wood that needs to go back up there and on top of supporting these bricks. Okay. So we're gonna go down the basement. We got three more of these 2 by 10 by 16 footers. So we gotta get those two downstairs today. Alright. Like I explained before, I do certain stuff. Excuse me, not COVID. I do stuff a certain way. I might plan to do something the day when I leave the day before when I leave the job. Then when I come to the job, I got a totally different plan. But today we definitely gonna get these two in here. I had the guys figure out how to get them in. It shouldn't be no problem for them. They did these over here yesterday. I'm not gonna say it was a training day. I'm gonna say I just basically allowed them to do a lot of the stuff just to see. I gotta bend that. See how warped that is? Gotta hit that back. But as you can see from the last video, we actually are in the bathroom now, underneath the bathroom. And you can see half the wall is gone. I'm gonna show you that in a minute. This was to an old, high efficiency furnace duct. This gotta come out too. Cause I gotta put a brace between there and I want nothing in my way when I put these braces all the way down. That's to eliminate these from warping. So, like I say, every time I make a video, we got a new mess. So I'm still waiting on, the furnace. I finally got that shit cut out. Not the way we're using the power rail stairs now. But, never ending pile of debris. Yes, never ending pile of debris. And today it's about to be some more, so let's walk around this way. And yeah, this is our power we use on this one to make sure this goes nowhere else. It's on its own separate 20 amp. So I can run a lot of shit off of there. Here's that other 16 footer. Like I said, we're gonna put all three of those. Well, I know at least two more up. Since we right here, we might as well start. I think you guys seen all this already. Just the kitchen. Got all the tools out. Which basically, truthfully, I say 85% of those tools I don't use. We got a new hole here. I don't know if I showed you guys all this last time, but all this was rotten. Same thing right there. And we got a new hole up here. And I still need to replace it. That's bowed. So all that had to be replaced halfway down. But I'm probably whatever 12 feet stop at, that's where I'm gonna stop. Cause I have a lot of 12-foot 2x4s. And that'll go from there to there. Then that damaged one will sit on top of that 2x4. And this corner goes all the way down. So I gotta put a beam underneath there. So I gotta cut all this shit out, all this wires out, put a floor joist underneath there. Just to support that. I don't have to support the damn wall, but it needs some kind of support. Okay, this is the top view of what the guys got done yesterday. You know, I basically cut a whole bunch of stuff out, showed them how to do. I got to cut all that out anyway. So we just needed the floor out our way so we can get these three in. Get these in. There's another one coming in right here. So I need some more material. This tub still look like it's leaning downwards, but this whole floor is coming out, so this plumbing is coming out too, so I might just lift that up because it probably is leaning down. No wood right there. And see what happens, because all this floor had to be replaced now. And that's a 4-foot piece. I got a damage. I thought I didn't have enough flooring, but that's a damaged piece that they sent me, so I'm gonna use that upstairs, probably over here somewhere, because I know I'm gonna have a cut piece up there, and I'll take you guys up there in a second. Okay. This is that bedroom right here, and we finna walk through the closet. I'm probably putting this wall up today too. Come on, phone. There we go. It'll be a wall up here, and it'll be a wall up there. I'm already upstairs. I had to stop. Yes, I didn't have to stop, but I'd rather have show the guys on how to do a lot of stuff. So we got a main door right here. We got our closet door. We got a few more studs I got to put in. I had to stop because of the flooring wasn't done, because we didn't have the other joists in, because we didn't have the floor tore out, because this wall, we had to figure out how to take this wall out without doing a lot of damage. So we had to brace all this up. This is extra right here. You know, see how this is. So we got to beat the shit out of that. Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. So a few things we got to do. And yes, I put it up. That's for the roof. I'm pretty sure I'm using some of this stuff. It's another piece down there that goes in that bedroom over there, that first piece. And another pile of trash right there. Of course, the client came over and they wanted to clean out the yard, so they kind of filled up the dumpster. A lot of that debris could have been set aside, and city would have picked it up as far as the tree branches and stuff. But it is what it is. I got to cut all this out, build a wall with the plywood on it, then slide that wall that way and slide it this way so to get it behind that stud. I'll shoot some screws in there and seal the wall up. You'll see once I do it. Okay, let's go up the steps, which is horrible. I hate the way they built these steps, but ain't got nothing to do with it. That's the other kitchen. We already seen all of this. Like I said, this that new hole. We got a soft spot underneath here. That's why I put this here, so everybody pay attention. Just walk on that. Got some soft areas over here. So all that's coming up. The hardwood is coming up. So what I'm thinking about doing is, this is not load bearing. And it failed because, once again, that top plate should be on top of that top plate. So it should have been a notch cut out, and this wouldn't have failed, but it did. So it is what it is. Got to fix it. But it's also the people that stayed here, for some reason, refuse to do any repairs. We got a couple straps going on here, and only reason right now I'm not really pulling this, if you see it will pull no problem, but I want to get a lot of that weight off, and I got to put this ceiling up, but I can't put the ceiling up until I pull this wall. So I can do that side. Far as I can put my plywood down over here, finish this area right here. I can put my ceiling joist back up from there to there, replace all this damaged stuff. Once I get all that done, I can repair this wall, put a doorway right here, another wall right there. And that'll help me get some support, so I can put a knee wall, not right there, but about right there, maybe a foot from there, all the way down from that side of the house, all the way to maybe right here, because I can't do nothing in that. But at least I can get all of this from here all the way down. I can tear up. That'll relieve a lot of pressure, because at the same time, I would be jacking this side up. So, yeah, it's going to be a fun day, but I need to get all this done first. So, is there anything else I need to talk to you guys about? Well, you see I got the floor done up here. This still not done. I could have finished this yesterday. But like I said, I prefer to have the guys do what they did. I'm not going to say it's a training day, but it was more like a training day, because they need to know how to do this too. Because if I'm not on the job can continue moving if my guys know what I know and how to do a lot of the stuff that I know how to do it, even though it was a little bit easier for them because how far we took the floor up. I had no choice. It was rotting anyway. But it still showed them what they'll go through to get those in. Now, this is ready. And I had to do this yesterday. I got one more to go in there. But I want to rip down one of these 2x8s to a 2x6 and put underneath there, from that cast iron pipe all the way to this corner, to that piece right there. Then I'm gonna run from that piece right there 2x4. But I want to put something underneath there for now. So when actually I don't have to, but that goes underneath there. Yeah, I'm gonna put this other joist in first, because most likely this gonna get tore out anyway, or I'm gonna have to jack it up. I jacked this up, so, and it looks like it's still leaning a little. Still look like Got a Gangster. It'll look different from the next video. I'll figure something out today. That side is not nailed in, so I got to hit that first one over to the right a little. We're gonna put one more to that right all the way to here. So for now, we just basically gonna finish up some stuff we was doing yesterday, and I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Peace.